Hi friends, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you all?
I am good. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm superb. Thank you. I hope you all are doing well. So you have been waiting for this session for 1 week.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to rock the stage and dance with the help of two tremendous anchors. So the first one, before going to invite a person who is committed to learn new things, a person who appreciates new things, so a person who comes to class regularly and who believes himself, the one and only, without the second, Mr. Ratnam. Please come onto the dais. Give him a big round of applause. Right, so the next one is a 6 feet tallest man and handsome personality. You know, last before week you did listen his dramatic dialogue also. So, like, if you remember once Mas Maharaja, he is none other than Mr. Yasdani sir. Please come on to the dais. Give him a round of applause. These two guys are going to rock the stage. So let us welcome them with your big round of applause. Thank you. So I am going to give this session to both of them. Signing off.
Hi friends,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I am good. What about you?
Yeah, fine. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking me. Okay, what is the special today for us? Sorry, did you prepare well? Yes. What about Sunny sir? What is special for you?
Hi Rafi sir,
Okay.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How was the day sir?
Yeah, it's good, sir. It was good. So I'm excited so much because I prepared a seminar, and so that is a good opportunity for us where we can interact with our students, younger students pursuing their education, housewives, employees. Let us start the session, sir.
Sure sir. So, what is the special
Yes.
last Sunday sir?
Yeah, last Sunday I was extremely very happy, sir. You know, right? I am in advanced course right now.
Right.
So every day new for me because I have to learn new things.
Right.
Today also, as you know, right, we have seen the difference between Bill and Shell. We came to know morning.
Right, right.
I am extremely very happy. That's what when I see Ratna sir, my energy will be increasing.
What is the special day? A special last Monday sir.
Sir, last Monday, see, Monday is a dedicated to Lord
Yes,
Shiva.
yes,
So
yes,
that's what,
absolutely, right.
yeah, my family went to for, Lord Shiva temple. We enjoyed a lot with over there.
What is the special Tuesday?
Tuesday will be Lord Hanuma, sir. It's God, it's grace of Lord Hanuma. So when we pray Lord Hanuma, we will get a energy, depth, capability.
Right. What is the special Wednesday sir?
When Subramanian Swami, sir. Positive energy, positive energy, positive, atmosphere, thoughts. It will be like that.
And what is the special Thursday sir?
Thursday will be dedicated to Lord Sai Baba. Beside my house, there are two temples for Sai.
What is the special Friday sir?
Yeah, Friday for us it's a very special day, sir. The thing is, yeah, Lakshmi, because we worship Lakshmi. That's why my name is Chenchu, Chenchu Lakshmi. Since we do puja in our
Special day sir. Saturday.
Sir, for Saturday there are two major things we have, sir.
Okay.
One is Lord, Venkateshwara. So we worship Lord Venkateshwara. The other one is our seminars. So Saturday will be for. I am extremely very happy because many students who are from morning sessions, afternoon sessions, and evening session. But when it comes Saturday we are all people gathered. We are all people gathered and to share our knowledge, exchange our knowledge, ideas, at the same time seminars and everything and so on. So that's why. So while seeing our folks, and I felt very happy. So this is a good opportunity, not only for us, sir. And first, we need to give a big thanks to RK sir to providing such a great platform to us where we interact. Let us give a big round of applause. Yes, sir.
Actually, I am telling you in Telugu, he is software employee. You know, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, huh? బట్ ఈయన స్పెషల్ టైం తీసుకొని క్లాస్ వస్తారనమాట. ఎవ్రీ సాటర్డే ఖచ్చితంగా అటెండ్ అవుతాడు. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన చాలా నేర్చుకున్నారు, చాలా తెలుసు, బాగా మాట్లాడతారు. మనం చూస్తున్నాం కదా ఇప్పుడు, చాలా చక్కగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడతారు అనమాట. బట్ అయినా కానీ సాటర్డే సెమినార్ కండక్ట్ చేయాలి, సాటర్డే సెమినార్లో నేను ఉండాలి, నేను చేయాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఎందుకు చేస్తారంటే, ఎక్కడైతే చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటాయో, చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ అవి కూడా పోకూడదు. నా కమ్యూనికేషన్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి, 100% కంప్లీట్. ఏనా 99.9% మాట్లాడతారనమాట. ఆ 1% కోసం ఎవ్రీ సాటర్డే ఇక్కడికి వస్తున్నారు. సో ఎంత కమిటెడ్గా ఉండాలి ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడటం అంటే ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రత్నం సార్. గివ్ మీ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
సో నౌ లెట్ స్టార్ట్
Yes,
సెమినార్ సార్.
Yes. Let us start the seminar. So before starting the seminar, we would like to tell you, see, whatever the seminar, first of all, you no need to afraid anything. No need to afraid. See, try to come here, present yourself, whether it is a positive, negative, mistakes. If you do mistakes, we always welcome. So without mistakes we can't learn anything. If somebody doesn't do any mistake, there is no scope to learn. By doing mistake, then only we will learn. So kindly participate these seminars. It will help us, it will help you yourself to improve. Okay, but communication is a process. Definitely you will become one day. Okay, sir, let us start the
Sure, sir, sure.
sessions. Okay,
ఓకే.
yeah. As for this order, we would like to call, okay, one by one. So the first person, I understood the way of behavior, okay, is from village. Most of the village people, they are getting afraid when we tell as a English like that. But that the person is a committed. He is he has some desire to learn. So such a kind of a personality. Let us welcome Mr. Sorry. So please give a big round of applause. Okay, and welcome him.
I respected sirs. Hi friends.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you friends?
I am good. What about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking me. Now I am telling about conquering the world. There once lived a powerful king who undertook an expedition to conquer foreign lands. His wise counselor asked him, "Great king, to what purpose do you set out on this endeavor?" "To become master of Asia," replied the king. "And then what?" asked the counselor. "I shall invade Arabia," said the king. And after that, I shall conquer Europe and Africa, and finally, when the whole world is under me, shall rest and live at easy." This wise counselor retorted, "But what keeps you from this resting and living at here and now? If that is all you want, you could settle down this very day without trouble and risk." Thank you friends, giving this great opportunity. Give me feedback.
Nirmal Babu, and see, that's what we expected. Okay, so when compared to last week, there is some changes is that in terms of body language, and it was shivering by the time last week, before week as well. Now it is it's a good compared to last week. So nice to have a presentation. So definitely, okay, we will make a better presentation going forward. Don't worry. Thank you.
నిర్మల్ బాబు యాక్చువల్గా ఇంత ముందుకు ఇప్పటికీ ప్రతిరోజు డెవలప్ అవుతూనే ఉన్నారు. ఆయన ప్రతిరోజు మాట్లాడేటప్పుడల్లా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతూనే ఉన్నారు. అతన్ని చూసి అస్సలేం రాదు మాకు అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అనుకోవచ్చు. సో నెక్స్ట్ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పర్సన్. మర్యాదకి మారు పేరు, చాలా మంచి వ్యక్తి, చాలా సపోర్టింగ్ పర్సన్. జోనా అండ్ అనిత,
Let us give a big round of applause.
Hi friends.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you all?
I am good. What about you?
I am Anita.
Hi friends,
Hi.
good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
How are you all?
I am good. What about you?
I am good. I am Jonah.
Jonah, can I ask you some questions?
Yes,
నా పేరు జోనా.
I am Jonah.
నేను నిన్న మా ఫ్రెండ్ని కలవడానికి వెళ్ళాను.
I did go to my friend's house yesterday,
కానీ నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ నాన్నని కలిశాను.
but I did meet my friend's parents.
కానీ మా ఫ్రెండ్ని కలవలేదు.
But I did not meet my friend.
తను హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
She did go to Hyderabad.
నేను తనకి కాల్ చేశాను.
I did call to her.
తను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు.
She did not lift my call.
నేను తనకి మెసేజ్ చేశాను.
I did message to her,
కానీ రిప్లై ఇవ్వలేదు.
but she did not reply to me.
నేను చాలా భయపడ్డాను తనకి ఏమైందో అని.
I did afraid what happened to her.
2 గంటల తర్వాత తను నాకు కాల్ చేసింది.
She did call to me after 2 hours,
కానీ నేను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు.
but I did not lift that call.
హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ తర్వాత తను నాకు మెసేజ్ చేసింది.
She did message to me at after half an hour.
నేను మెసేజ్ ని చదివాను.
I did read that message.
తను నాకు కాల్ చేసింది.
She did call to me.
నేను తనతో మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను.
I did speak to her and I feel very happy.
ఓకే జోనా, నౌ యు టెల్ ఆల్ ద స్టోరీ.
Yes, I will tell.
ఓకే.
I am Jonah. I am go to my friend's house and I did meet my friend's parents, but I did not. My friend, she did go to Hyderabad. I did call to her. She did not lift to my call, and I did message to her. She did not reply to me, and I afraid what happened to her. She did call to me after 2 hours, and I did not reply to her. She did a message to me after half an hour, and I did reply to her. She did call to me, and I will speak to her, and I feel very happy.
ఓకే జోనా, యు డిడ్ గుడ్ జాబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
Thank you, friends, giving this wonderful opportunity.
Sir,
How was the session?
wonderful sir, wonderful, excellent, marvelous sir.
Give a big round of applause, guys. As per my analysis, this both they may become as a politicians,
Definitely sir.
because
He-
such a kind of a commanding voice,
Yes,
like Anita versus Jonah.
Jonah.
So it's a good opportunity, right?
Right,
It's a
sir.
kind of a good voice commanding. Definitely they will become, sir.
become sir.
Yeah. So the girl, she is the beauty of our institute. She is a committed personality. So if regularly she attends the classes. Let us welcome. Let us invite Lakshmi. So please give big round of applause. Hey, Lakshmi, please join with us.
Hi friends,
Hi.
good afternoon to all.
Very good afternoon.
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am great. My name is Jay Lakshmi. I am pursuing degree KCDC college. Today my seminar topic name is Finding Happiness. Once a group of 50 people was attending a seminar. Suddenly the speaker started giving each person a balloon. Each one was asked to write her name on it using marker pen. Then all the balloons were collected and put in another room. Now these delegates very late in the room, which had their name written. Within 5 minutes, everyone was frantically searching their name, pushing and holding with each other, and there was a utter choice. At the end of 5 minutes, no one could find their own balloon. Now each one was asked to randomly collect a balloon, give to the person whose name was right on it. Within minutes, everyone had their own balloon. Moral of the story: this is the exactly happening in our life. Give them their happiness, you will get in your own happiness. This is the purpose of human life. Thank you friends giving this great opportunity.
Being a housewife, so difficult to managing their children's and personal life, professional life. But even though madam has a desire to learn communication, and I saw there are 2 sessions last week, and madam did a very good job. Okay, let us welcome Sridevi madam. So please give a big round of applause, madam. Please come on.
Hi friends,
Hi.
good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am so good. Today my topic two frogs. A group of frogs were traveling through the woods and two of them fell into a deep pit. When the other frogs how deep the pit, they told the two frogs that they were as good as dead. That the two frogs ignored the comments and tried to jump up out of the pit with all their might. The other frog kept telling to them stop, that they were as good as dead. Finally, one of the frog took to heed that the other frog was saying and gave up. He fell down and died. The other frog continued to jump as hard as he could. Once again, the frogs at him to stop the pain and just die. He jumped even harder and finally make it out. When he got out, the other frog said, "Did you not hear us?" The frog explained to them that he was deaf. He thought they were encouraging him to entire time. The power of word life and death in the tongue. An encouraging word to someone who is down can lift them up and help them make it through the day. So be careful what you say. Speak life to those cross your path. This power of words, it is sometimes hard to understand. Encouraging word can go along such a way. Thank you friends giving this wonderful opportunity.
Isdani sir, how was the session? How was the Sridevi madam performance?
Sridevi madam is excellent. I was last week she's performance.
Yes.
Performance.
She performed.
Very good performance.
So, yeah, before calling next participants, as we know, right, we have 2 persons like Rama Lakshmana. Both are very energetic. They are always good friends, and they are pursuing BTech at the same time intermediate. Let us welcome Mr. Manoj and Samir. Please come on the dais. Please give a big round of applause.
Hi, I am Manoj.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I can,
Can I ask some questions?
yes, ask me.
What is your qualification?
My, I am pursuing BSc Nursing first year.
Where are you from?
I am from Espeta.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
What are your likes?
My likes are I like my family and I like my friends.
What is great strength?
My great strength is my hard work.
What is your aim?
My aim is to become a doctor.
Who is your role model? Role model.
My role model is Salim Garu. He is police officer.
Who is inspiring person?
My inspiring person is RK sir. He is my trainer.
Tell me something about your family.
There are three members in my family: my father, my mother, and I.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Subani Garu.
What is he?
He is businessman.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Habib Garu.
What is she?
She is a housewife.
What is your brother and sister's name?
I have no brother, no sister. I am single.
Can I ask some questions?
Yes, ask.
Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
Do you have like chicken?
Yes, I like chicken.
Do you go to movie?
Yes, I go to movie.
Do you write Tamil?
No, I don't write them.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Do you wake up at 6 a.m.?
Yes, I wake up 6 a.m.
Do you write English?
Yes, I write English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Thank you.
I can ask you something.
Yes, ask me some questions.
What is your qualification?
I am studying BTech first year.
Where are you from?
I am from Vinmur.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, playing games.
What are your likes?
My likes are I like myself, I like my family, I like my friends.
What is your aim?
My aim is to become a software developer.
What is your strength?
My great strength is my hard work.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my younger father Venkateswar Garu. He is a lawyer.
Who is the inspiring person?
My inspiring person is RTSR. He is my trainer.
Tell me something about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. There are father, mother, sister, and I.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Srinivas Garu.
What is he?
He is farmer.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Ramadev Garu.
What is she?
She is housewife.
Can I ask some questions?
Yes, we can ask some.
Do you like books?
Yes, I like books.
Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you go to college?
Yes, I go to college.
Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Do you wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m.?
Yes, I wake up early in the morning, 6 a.m.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, yes, believe myself.
Thank you, friends, for giving this great opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you, my
friends,
dear
for
friends.
giving this great opportunity.
Isnani sir,
Sir,
what about what was the
both
session?
are energetic persons, sir.
Okay.
So they are enjoy, we are enjoy
Yes.
the performance.
Okay, their performance.
finally-
Definitely. So we have to keep this video
Yes, sir.
like as a love boats.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So these people are made us laughing. So really nice, and the way of expression, posing the questions also really good. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Samir and Manoj. Okay, you did a good job. Thanks. So thank you, Manoj and Samir. Okay, you did a good job. And so before calling the next participant, I have seen for 1 month onwards, Madam is doing a job like in
Yes.
insurance sector, right?
Ah.
So parallelly, job at the same time, learning communications. Both Madam is managing. So one hand is a job, the other hand is communication. So Madam has a passionate about communication. So let us welcome Amala Madam. Please give a big round of applause. Welcome.
Respected sir. Hi friends.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you? I am good. What about you? I am good. Thank you for asking me. I am Amala. I am going to present the seminar topic is God exists. A man went to a barber shop to have his hair and his beard cut to have a good conversation with the barber who attended him. They talked about so many things on various subjects. Suddenly they touched the subject of God. The barber said, "Look, man, I don't believe that God exists. As you say so, why do you say that?" Asked the client. Well, it's so easy. You will go to outside in the street to realize if the God existed or not. Oh, tell me, if God existed, would there be so many sick people? Would there be abandoned children? If the God existed, if there would be neither suffering nor pain? I can't think of God who permits all of these things. The client stopped for a moment, thinking. He did not want to respond uh, so as so as to prevent an argument. The barber finished his job. The client went out of the barber shop. After he left the barber shop, he saw a man in the street having with long hair and beard. Then the barber again entered into the barber shop. His, and he said to the barber, "The barbers do not exist." "How come they don't exist?" "Well, I am here. I am barber." "No," the client exclaimed. Because they did. If people having long hair and beard, barbers do exist. What happens is that people do not come for us. Affirmed the client. That's the point. God does exist. What happens is that people do not go for him and do not look for him. That's why there's so much pain and suffering in the world. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Sir, I feel now,
Sir.
saw the performance, Madam performance. I feel just now blast very big transformer, sir.
Okay.
Very energetic and very loud and commanding voice.
Yes.
She has very,
Yes.
very well, madam, very well.
Thanks, ma'am.
Very well performed.
Actually, we did misunderstand. Not only one or two members.
Ah.
There is Amala madam also.
Ah.
May become as a politician because madam has because we thought Anita and Jonah,
Ah.
not only these people,
Right.
but Anita Amala madam also having such a good boss,
Right, sir.
commanding voice like Amala madam. I'm extremely very happy. Okay, so you explained very well. Okay, so the concept, the seminar is God exists, right? Yes.
Ah.
See, guys, look at here. Amala madam has given her topic first time. Madam has given first time.
First time.
So, but even though we expected a lot as a first seminar, madam has given extremely good. So maybe in future, maybe I think so, sir. Within 1 month, madam will do anchoring as
Sure, definitely, sir. Definitely.
not only
I believe
Amala
that.
madam, everybody has. Definitely, you people will come voluntarily to do anchoring. Okay. Thank you, madam. You did so much. Good job. Thank you. Yes, sir.
So next one is one of the metal, very much likely ladies especially. I telling you in Telugu. తెలుగులో చెప్తే ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది అనమాట. సో సార్ కుర్చీలు తిరిగిపోతాయి సార్, కత్త చేసుకో. ఎందుకు సార్ ఊగిపోతారు అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ జర్నీ విత్ హర్ దిస్ వీక్.
Yes, sir.
బాగా ఇష్టపడే మెటల్ ఏది అంటే ప్రపంచంలో
Sir.
దట్ ఈస్ ద గోల్డ్.
Yes.
బంగారాన్ని మహిళలు బాగా ఇష్టపడతారు, అందరూ ఇష్టపడతారు.
Yes, sir.
సో ఆమెకు జర్నీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ మాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్ పెరిగాయి అన్నమాట.
Okay.
ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు మాతో పాటు ఉంటే
Yes, sir.
మేము ఇంకా చక్కగా, ఇంకా స్పీడ్గా, ఇంకా బాగా నేర్చుకోగలుగుతాము అనే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ మాకు పెరిగింది. బుల్లెట్ ట్రైన్ కంటే స్పీడ్గా ఉంటారు సార్. ఒక్కసారి చెప్తే 100 సార్లు ఆమె విన్నట్టే.
Okay, sir.
సో ఆమె న్యూ జాయినర్.
Okay.
లెట్ us వెల్కమ్ టు ఆన్ ద డయాస్ సువర్ణ మేడం.
Guys, please give a big round of applause.
Good afternoon. How are you all? I greet you all in this wonderful, happiest moment. I'm so happy to be here with you. I stand in front of you. Now, I would like to share a few beautiful words. I am Suvarna. I completed BSc Nursing, working as staff nurse in government sector, primary health center. My hobbies: watching TV, listening music, sing songs, playing with kids. I like my family and my kids. My role model, my father. My father is a great personality. My father is good singer. My father brave person. I have coming to family. I have my family members six members. My mom, my aunt, my husband, 2 kids. My father name Krishna Reddy, Venkata Krishna Reddy garu. My mother name Padmati garu. My aunt Lata garu. My husband name Vasreddy garu. He is businessman. I have 2 kids, daughter and son. My daughter name is Devi Sharmuka Priya. Studied 8th standard in Pragati Mahavidyalaya. My son name is Jitin Reddy. studied 6th standard in Pragati Mahavidyalaya. Aim become a successful singer. My dear friends, already all of you know about me. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
However,
Yeah.
actually, I tell
Yeah,
about
please.
her few words.
Sure.
You telling on the dais, right or wrong, that's not important. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎంతసేపు నిలబడ్డారు, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీ వరకు ఫస్ట్ టైం కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్లీ మీరు ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది ఇక్కడ నేను చూశాను అనమాట. ఇంతకుముందు నేను కూడా జస్ట్ అలా వచ్చి 2 seconds సార్ నా వల్ల కాదు అని వెళ్ళిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారనమాట. సో నిన్నే ఫార్వర్డ్ చేశాను ఇది ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అనేది మేడంకి. నిన్న ఈవినింగ్ ఏదో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేశాను. నైట్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారు, మార్నింగ్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేశారు. ట్రై చేస్తూ ఇక్కడ ఇంతసేపు నిలబడటం అనేది చాలా గ్రేట్ మేడం. యాక్చువల్లీ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు యూ.
So you did very good job. So thank you so much, madam. So please keep learning and do practice, and so come next time. Okay. Fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah. So before calling next participant, I have seen around for 2 to 3 months the person who is committed towards studies, at the same time communication classes, and she comes daily to learn whatever sir delivered the speeches here, everything. She is very energetic person, is none other than Miss Sudiksha. So please come on the dais. Please let her introduce herself.
Hi friends,
Hi.
good afternoon to all. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. I am Sai Sudiksha in front of you. Today my seminar topic is Parable of Pencil. Did you learn your seminar? We learn so many things from nature if you read to learn. We can learn from this board, we can learn from this fan, we can learn from this chair, we can learn from this pencil. Now my question is, what can we learn from this pencil? We may have some ideas. Let me explain something new. The pencil marker took the pencil aside just before putting him into the box. There are 5 things you need to know. He hold the pencil before I send you out into the world. Always remember them and never forget, and you will become a better pencil you can be. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time. You all need it to become a better pencil you can be. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. The most important part of you will always what's on the inside. And 5. On every surface you are used on, you must leave your mark. No matter what the condition, you must continue to do right. The pencil understood and promised and remember. The pencil understood and promised and remember, which went into the mark with purpose in this heat. You replacing the place of the pencil with you. Always remember them and never forget. With purpose, you can be special person you can be. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in God's hand and allow other human beings to access for you many gifts to process. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time by going through various problems in life. Always remember them and never forget, you will become a better person. 3. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. 4. The most important part of you will always what's on the inside. And 5. On every surface you want to throw, always remember them and never forget, no matter what the solution, you must continue to do your duties. And finally, the moral of the story, allow this parable of the pencil to encourage you to know that are the special person and only can be fulfill and purpose the which were meant bondi to accomplish. Never allow yourself to get discouraged and think that your life is insignificant and cannot make a change. Thank you friends for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Sir, so please sing a song, sir. At least we expect you only. We are expecting from you. We
Now
have so
you
many-
want to entertain.
Yes.
Entertainment.
Yes. We need some relaxation.
I know, sir, one person. She is very beautiful singer.
Okay.
I listened before she's voice.
Okay.
నేను ఆమె చూస్తాను సార్ ఆమె వాయిస్ వింటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ప్రశాంతంగా
Sure.
పీస్ఫుల్ గా
Definitely, sir.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరి ఎవ్రీబడి మూడ్ ఇస్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్.
Yeah.
ఐఎమ్ షూర్ దట్ షీ ఈజ్ సువర్ణ గారు.
Yeah.
ప్లీజ్ కమాన్ ఆన్ ద డయాస్ ప్లీజ్.
నందగోపాల ఏమిటి లీలా, నందగోపాల ఏమిటి లీలా, కంట పడవేమిరా, ఎంత విందారా ఏమి కన్నారా, మాయ విడవేమిరా, రాక్షసుల విడిచి దాగి నన్ను గెలిచి ఆటలాడిపోదా, కానరావిందా, ఓ మై లవ్లీ లలన ఇలానే ఉంది, ఓ మై లవ్లీ లలన ఏమిటి నీ కంటి, ఓ మై లవ్లీ లలన ఏమిటి ఎదు భూషణ ఎదు భూషణ సుగపూతన మది చేసిన కాంతి రోతున కాళీయున నచ్చిన ముక్తి పంచిన కృష్ణ.
వాట్ రతం సార్
Sir,
అవాజ్ సాంగ్.
it was a fabulous, fabulous experience singing, madam.
Right.
Definitely, you will become such a great singer, madam. Manoj sir, remember, okay, note that point. He's also one of the famous director.
Because
It's a fabulous, singing. It's
Right.
really awesome, sir. So that pressure and everything will be gone. It's a very nice, madam. Thank you so much, sir. We would like to call one more singer. We
Sure.
have, okay.
one more figure.
Yeah. Can you guess who is that person?
No sir, do you know sir?
Yeah, I know,
Anyone
sir.
there?
I know. Jonah, please come on the stage.
ఊరికే చిలక వేచి ఉంటాను కడవరకు, కురిసే చినుక ఎల్లువైనాది ఎదవరకు, చెలివై సఖివై రెండు హృదయాల కదము, బ్రతుకే బరువై నిండు విరహాల కబురు, కాటుక కళ్ళతో కాటు వేసావెనన్నిప్పుడు, కాలం చెలితే ఇంత మన్నేసిపోయిప్పుడు, ఊరికే చిలక వేచి ఉంటాను కడవరకు, కురిసే చినుక
ఎల్లువైనది ఎదవరకు నీరాక కోసం తొలి ప్రాణమైన దాచింది నా వలపే మనసంటి మగువా ఏ జాము రాక చితి మంటలే రేపే నా కడ ప్రాణం పోనివ్వు కరమాసిపోదు అది కాదు నా వేదన విధి విపరీతం నీ మీద అపవాదు వేస్తే ఎద కుంగిపోయేనులే మొదలో తుదలో వదిలేశాను నీకే ప్రియా ఊరికే చిలక వచ్చి వాలింది కలత విడి చెలిగా సకిలా తాను చేరింది చెలుని ఒడి.
Sunny said,
Sir,
how was the performance, Jonas' performance?
I expected already. He is very well singer, sir.
Yes. So he did a good job, sir.
He did a good job.
He sang very
Excellent.
nice. So the tone also very good.
Very good.
That too, Suvarna madam voice also very.
Yes, sir. I have inside a singer.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Later. Ah.
The person who is a brand ambassador of Innocence. Can you guess who is this? Who is brand ambassador of Innocence? Okay. So she is a committed personality. Okay, she wants to learn. She attends regularly, classes. Let us call Pujita. So give a big round of.
Hi friends. Good afternoon. How are you?
I am good. What about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking me. Now my seminar topic is lunch with God. A little boy wanted to meet God. He packed his suitcase with 2 sets of his dress and some packets of cake. He started his journey. He walked a tired and felt. So he sat in a park on the way and opened a packet to take a cake to eat. Then he offered old man her a piece of cake. She gratefully accepted it with a wide look. Her smile was so pretty. The boy was longing to see it again. Again he gave her old man to give a cake. Again she accepted it. The boy was delighted, and the boy was frightened. Go to the house. When they opened the door, mother was surprised. What did you look so happy? The boy he replied, I had lunch with God. And the old man also go to the house. Her son was also asked, what did you went from? She replied, I ate cakes in the park. And she also told that I had lunch with God. Finally, remember, God will look like people are coming into our life for a season, for a reason, or for a lifetime. Accepted all of them. Let's see them God in you. Thank you, my dear friends, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Ratul sir,
Yeah.
how was the performance?
Yeah, it was nice. Pusta. She did a very good, sir. Okay, as usual.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Our
Can I
friends.
call? Yes, sir.
Yeah. You just take a chance. Call.
So, my friend become a director. వెరీ యాక్చువల్గా అతని గురించి చెప్పాలి అంటే మనం సినిమా చూస్తూ ఎక్సైట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాం. ఆ సీన్ తర్వాత ఆ సీన్, ఆ సీన్ తర్వాత ఆ సీన్, ఆ సీన్ తర్వాత ఆ సీన్. ఆయన ఎలాంటి వారంటే సినిమాని చూస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం జరుగుతుందో చెప్పే క్యాపబిలిటీ ఉన్న క్యాండిడేట్ టు ద డయాస్ మనోజ్ సార్. Hi friends. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
What about you? I'm so good. Today I will tell a small story. The story name is True Wealth. One day, a father from a very wealthy family, he did take his son to a village to show how poor people live. They spent 2 days with a very poor farmer's family. They are returning from the trip. Father asked his son, "How was the trip?" Son said, "It was great, Dad." The father asked, "Son, did you see how poor people can be?" "Yes, Dad, I did see." Again, father asked his son, "So, what did you learn from the trip?" The son answered, "I saw that we have one dog, they have 4 dogs. We have a swimming pool that reaches the garden. They have a stream that doesn't end. We have a imported lanterns and they have a the stars at night. We have a front yard. They have the sky. We have a piece of land, but they have a fields as per the I can see. Servants serves us. They serves others. We buy our food. They grow their farms. We have security walls around our property. They have a friends protect and father was silent after son added, "Thank you, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." This is the story. That's it. Thank you all.
Before calling, next participant, I would like to share few words. See, as a girl, she is looking like lean girl, but her voice is really, commanding, and still she is pursuing in PG. So she is none other than Miss Anita. So please come on the dance.
Hi friends. Hi. You all. I am good. Thank you for asking. Now I am to discuss about opportunities under our feet. This was a farmer in Africa. Was happy and
అక్కడికి మీరు ఏం
content.
చేసినా పర్లేదు.
He was happy because he was content because he was happy. One day a man come to him and told to him about the glory of diamonds, power of death also
Still, we
along
not
with
rich.
them.
They
The
are
wise
rich
man
and
said,
educated
if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, you could buy your own city. If you had a diamond the size of your fist, you could buy your own country. After the wise man left. The wise man left. Afternoon, at night, Hafiz could not sleep. Hafiz was unhappy and discontented. Hafiz was unhappy because he was discontented. He was discontented because he was unhappy. The next morning, Hafiz made arrangements to selling his farm. Hafiz took care of his family and he went off in searching diamonds. He looking all over the Africa, but he could not find any. He looked all over the Europe, but he could not find any. By the time he got the Spain, he was physically, financially depleted. He was disheartened. he was disheartened. That time he committed suicide by throwing himself into the Barkland River. Back home, the person who had bought his farm that watering the camels at the stream ran through the property. Across the stream, the rays of the morning hits sun hits a stone and made it sparkle like a rainbow. He thought the stone would look good in his living room, and then he picked up the stone and he put into the mantelpiece. The vase is back. Asked to new owner. Hafiz is back. The man said, "No. Why do you ask?" The vase said, "Because that is a diamond. Because that is a diamond. I recognize one when I see one." The man said, "That's just a stone I picked up into the stream. Come, I will show you. There are some more." They went to and picked up sample stones and sent into the analysis. Sure enough, the stones were diamonds. They found that was indeed covered with acres of diamonds. Opportunity is always under our feet. We don't have to go anywhere. All we need to do is recognize it. Finally, the moral of the story is people who don't know how to recognize opportunity. Opportunity is not only once. The next one may be better or worse, but never same one. This is why it is not recognized. This is why it is to recognize to make the right decision at right time. A right decision at the wrong time becomes a wrong decision. Thank you, friends, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Uttam sir,
Yeah, sir.
how was the performance?
Yeah, she did rock, sir.
Yes.
So she explained about whenever we are getting the opportunity. So always knocking the doors. When we get that opportunity right, definitely we will get a good position. We
Yes.
will achieve a good success.
Yes, sir.
So that is a really good story, Anita. Thank you so much, ma'am. You did a good job. Sir, I'll tell you a small story, sir. Not a story, that is a real.
Sure.
So before calling next participant.
Okay, sir.
See, in the year of 2014, around 2013 and 14, maybe in between, I visited one place, sir.
Okay.
In that was my first job, Infosys. I got as a process executive from BPO.
Okay.
I went for training in Mysore. So one day I had a couple of employees along with me. We visited so many places. Among those, there was one place where there are three rivers are merged, in the sense met one place. What should we call that place?
Sangamam. Right.
Triveni
Sangamam. Yes.
There are three rivers like
Three rivers.
Saraswati, Narmada,
Ganga, Jamuna,
yes,
Saraswati.
Like that, we have such a good personality here.
Yes.
Yeah, let us welcome Triveni. Please come on the stage, okay? Please. Yes.
Today my topic is the story of woodcutter. Once upon a time, the woodcutter asked to the job from timber merchant. The pay was really good and work conditions. Those reasons he was joined to do his best. Once upon a time, his boss gives an axe which supposed it. he bought an 18. The first day he bought an 18 trees. Congratulations, boss said, go the way. And he was motivated and boss works, and he was work hardly, and he could cut a trees in 15 trees, and day after day he was work hard. He could bring in 10 trees, and day by day he could bring a loss and lessee trees. I must be losing my strength, woodcutter thought. He go to boss, he was apologized. Boss asked to the woodcutter, what was the time to sharpen an axe? Sharpen, I am very busy to cut a trees. I have no time to sharpen an axe. What is that? How is it could be forgotten and sharpen? What is that? It could be forgotten and sharpen. And we are not get busy in our life. We neglecting an important things. Our life, our personal life, more time to spend in family, and no time to spend a creator and read a books. We are free time to motivate and learn and grow, and we have forgotten to the sharpen an axe. We have forgotten to the axe, and we are losing strength and effectiveness. We in our life like that. We are very busy and not get time to sharpen an axe. In the world, everyone very busy and less happy ever. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
She did good. Good job. No problem. So Ratsani sir, so far we have seen our folks presentation is really good.
Okay.
So it's a time comes to us. Okay. So
Hi.
definitely we will try our best abilities.
Definitely,
Okay,
definitely.
sir. So I request you to present your seminar, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, your seminar. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Hi friends. Good afternoon. How are you all? I am great. I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment. I am so happy, joy to be here with you and stand in front of you. Now I would like to share a few beautiful words about myself. I am Esdani, I am a businessman, I am from Ratna's world. My hobbies are editing videos, watching TV. My great strength, believe myself. My aim is become a big businessman. My role model is my mother, Mamula Garu. She is very kind-hearted person. My inspiration person is RK sir. He is one of the best communication skill trainer, and he is also very good motivator. And coming to my family, there are 6 members, our beautiful family. House of the head, my mother, she is Mamula Garu. She is housewife, very supporting person. My wife, Shabnam Garu, she is completed MBA. She is also housewife. My elder daughter, Fasiha, she is studying in 8th class. My younger daughter, Fasiha, she is studying in 6th class. My cute son, Ayan, he is also studying in LKG in Neem English Medium School. And all of you know very well about me. And thank you, my dear friends, giving this wonderful opportunity. Now, friends, I will tell you how to lead our life, I have a strategy. Okay? Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Yes. So, sir, can I use this word? Thank you, sir. Just one.
Yeah.
Just one, sir. So, I can question you. Listen carefully and answer to me very carefully. Okay? What is this words? Please read, all of you. 2024. Right? 2024. How many zeros on the board? Match this. This is match, huh? Is it match in the sir?
Yes.
2 zeros. How many fours on the board? This is also match. 2 zeros and 2 fours. And again I write how many zeros on the board? This is match, 2 zeros. And what is this number? 2 4. And this match. ఇది కూడా దీనికి మ్యాచ్ అయింది. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నెంబర్? 2024. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో మ్యాచ్. Yes? And what is this? So, which is the option right on board? You madam? You? Okay. So, I will tell you in Telugu very clearly.
Sure.
సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ 0044 రాసినప్పుడు ఇది కరెక్ట్ అన్నారు మీరే. తర్వాత ఇది రాసినప్పుడు ఇది కరెక్ట్ అన్నారు మీరే. ఇది రాసినప్పుడు ఇది కరెక్ట్ అన్నారు అది కూడా మీరే. ఇది రాసినప్పుడు ఇది కూడా రైట్ అన్నారు అది కూడా మీరే. సో మన థాట్స్ ప్రతి సెకండ్ మారిపోతూ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఇవన్నీ రైటే, కరెక్టే. 2 zeros 2 4, 2 zeros 2 4. ఆల్ ఆప్షన్ ఆర్ రైట్. బట్ మనం పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, మనం చూసే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది రైట్. సో మేడంకి ఇది రైట్ అనిపించింది, షీఈ్ రైట్. మీ నలుగురికి ఇది రైట్ అనిపించింది, మీరు ఆల్సో రైట్. నాకు ఇది అనిపిస్తుంది, సో నేను కూడా రైట్. ఈ ముగ్గురు మాటలు విని మీరు రాంగ్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మీరున్న చోట మీరు రైటే. అదేవిధంగా మనం ఏదనుకుంటామో, మనం ఏది చేయాలనుకుంటామో అది డెఫినెట్లీ రైట్. నలుగురు మన గురించి, ఈ ముగ్గురు మన గురించి ఏమంటారు, వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది 0044 రైట్ అయి ఉండొచ్చుగా, వాళ్ళ గురించి అది రైటేనేమో, మనం అనుకున్నది రాంగ్ ఏమో. ఇలా ఎక్కడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. మన లైఫ్ని ఎలా లీడ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మనకు అనిపించిందా రైట్, సో యూ కెన్ డూ దట్. నేను మీకు ఈ విషయం ఎందుకు ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలనుకున్నా అంటే, సో ఎప్పుడైనా మనము ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి వస్తున్నాం. నిన్న వేరే ఒక ఆయన చెప్పారనమాట, సార్ నిన్న సేమ్ డైలాగ్ ఈరోజు కూడా విన్నాను. నా వీడియో చూసి పిల్లలు నవ్వుతున్నారు సార్, నేను ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంటే మా పిల్లలు చూసి నవ్వుతున్నారు సార్ అని చెప్పేసి. సో పిల్లలు నవ్వుతున్నారు, వాళ్ళేదో అనుకుంటున్నారు, వీళ్ళేదో చెప్తున్నారు అని చెప్పేసి డయాస్ మీద వచ్చి మనం పర్ఫామ్ చేయకుండా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి నేర్చుకొని సైలెంట్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటే మనకేం రాదు. సో ఇవన్నీ వదిలేసి మీరేదైతే ఆప్షన్స్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటారో, మీరు ఏదైతే చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో అది మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా డెఫినెట్గా బ్లైండ్గా వెళ్ళిపోయింది చేసుకుంటూ. సో దట్స్ వై దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్.
A few minutes later, watch.
మాట్లాడే అవకాశాన్ని కల్పించిన మన ఆర్కే సార్కి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఒక 10 మందిలో నిలబడి మాట్లాడటానికి అవకాశం కల్పించి ఈరోజు ఒక 10 మందితో మాట్లాడుతున్నానంటే ఈ యొక్క క్రెడిట్ మాత్రం మన ఆర్కే సార్కి ఇవ్వాలి. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఎప్పుడు ఇలా అలవాటు లేదనమాట. ఇదే మొదటిసారి ఆయన అవకాశం కల్పించడం, అవకాశాన్ని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని ఈరోజు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. అయితే ఇప్పటివరకు జరిగిన సెషన్లో మనం ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నామో వాటిని పర్ఫామ్ చేశాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉన్న టాలెంట్ని పర్ఫామ్ చేద్దాం. సో నా దగ్గర ఒక డైలాగ్ 2 years నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నాను అనమాట. 10 మందిలో పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి, 10 మందికి చెప్పాలి, నా టాలెంట్ చూపించుకోవాలని చెప్పేసి. ఆ యొక్క టాలెంట్ చూపించుకునే రోజు ఈ రోజు వచ్చింది. ఈరోజు ఆ అవకాశం నాకు ఆర్కే సార్ని కల్పించారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్. సో మన ఎన్టీఆర్ గారి డైలాగ్ అనమాట. సీనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్, ఆచార్య దేవ ఏమంటివి జాతి నెపమున సూత సుతులు కింద నిలవరాత లేదందువా. ఎంత మాట. ఇది క్షాత్రియ పరీక్ష కానీ క్షత్రియ పరీక్ష కాకూడదు. ఇది కుల పరీక్ష ఎందువా. నీ తండ్రి భరద్వాజ జన్మం పెట్టిది, అది జుగుత్సాగరమైన నీ సంభవం పెట్టిది. మట్టి కుండలో పుట్టిది కదా, నీది ఏ కులము. ఇంత ఏళ అస్మత్ పితామహుడు కురుకుల వృద్ధుడైన ఈశాంతనుడు శివ సముద్రాల భార్యావు గంగా గర్భమున జన్మించలేదా. ఈయనది ఏ కులము. నాతో చెప్పించుటివేమయ్యా. మా వంశమునకు మూల పురుషుడైన వశిష్ఠుడు దేవ వేసియాగు ఊర్వశీ పుత్రుడు కాడా. అతడు పంచమి జాతి కన్నా అరుంధతి ఎందు శక్తిని, ఆ శక్తి చండాలంగా ఎందు పరాశుడిని, ఆ పరాశుడు పల్లె పడితేన మత్స్య గాంధీ ఎందు మా తాత వ్యాసుని, ఆ వ్యాసుడు విధవరాడైన మా పితామహి అంబికతో మా విన్నతాంటి పాండురాజును, పితామహి అంబాలికతో ధర్మ నిర్మాణ జన్మ నుంచి కీర్తించబడుతున్న ఈ విధురదేవుని కనలేదా. సందర్భవసం బట్టి క్షేత్రభ్యజ ప్రాధాన్యములకు సంక్రమైన మా కురువంశము ఏనాడో కులహీనమైనది కాగా నేడు కులము అని వ్యర్థవాదములు ఎందుకు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద డైలాగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశం కల్పించారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆర్కే సార్. 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయాలని చెప్పేసి ఒక 2 ఏళ్ల నుంచి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను అన్నాడు. ఈ డైలాగ్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ఈరోజు 10 మందికి చెప్పుకునే అవకాశం కల్పించారు.
Looking at mirror, one day all employees come to office and they saw a quotation like an advice. They saw an advice on the door which it was written, yesterday one person has been hindering company's growth and colleagues' growth. Company's growth and colleagues' growth passed away. And we invite you his funeral program which has been prepared in the room in gym. That is the quotation. Okay. So when employees saw that this quotation, they excited. But initially, as the employees got in the sense sad. The reason being, see, one of our employee has died. So one of employee has died. That's why they got sad. That is humanity, right? That is humanity. But all employees are excited. Who is that person who is stopping our company's growth as well as personal growth? So this is the process is going on. But later the company has been arranged, said, so as they said, right, we would like to invite you funeral program. So we arranged in this room. They are always they are coming, their employees are excited to see who is that person who is stopping company's growth as well as personal growth. So while coming close to these employees, close to coffin, so they are one side they are getting excitement in the sense we want to know who is that person. So like that, and so one by one person is coming and see. When employees saw that inside of the coffin, they got shocked. Why it means, so as a employee, one of the employee in the sense like considered as a manager, as a chairman, who is the owner of that company. So who put a mirror inside of the coffin? So whoever comes, whoever did see inside of the coffin, it reflects on their face. Yes or no? Reflect on their face. So like that, employees one by one has to visit, and when they see inside of the coffin, it could be reflect on her face only, her himself face. Okay, so beside that mirror, so in a coffin, and as a manager, put one mirror. So beside that coffin, there is one more coat which has been there is only one person who is capable to set your limits to your growth. It is you. Means, as a person who decides your life, you are the only person, you are the person who decides your life. As a person who revolutionized your growth, your success, and whatever. So as a person who achieves your success, you are the only person. Yes or no? So you do not think what others. Such a simple thing. That one only. Whatever you think, do it. Whatever thoughts that you have to stick on it. You have to follow that. You do not bother about what other people are thinking about you. You do not worry, because if they laugh, no worries. Your goal is different. So like that, you are the person who drives your journey. Yeah. So the moral of the story is, world is a mirror. If you think negatively, it will reflect same thing to you. If you take positively, it reflects on you. It reflects on you in the same way, positive. So my suggestion is also like that. Do not think about others. Follow what your mind tells you. Thank you so much. Successfully completed our session with support of you, madams, and everybody. So everybody has participated. So it's a time to invite Ratna sir. Please give a big round of applause to him. And thank you so much, friends, and Yazdani sir as well. Okay, who supported me a lot as an anchor. So thank you so much, Yazdani sir. Such a you supported a lot to me, and thank you so much.
So feeling very happy after listening this session. So I don't know how much happy you are. You only know that about your presentation and performance. So this is the time to signing off for this session, but because already it is over than 5, right? We will meet again next week. Until then, signing off. Thank you.